Hey, I'm here with Dr. Ogedegbe, who is the chairman CEO of Cedar Crest Hospitals, and we're right in front of his permanent site. And quite frankly, I am totally impressed. My name is Dr. Ajibade, and Dr. Felix was my senior in medical in school, as a matter of fact. But Dr. Ogedegbe, tell us again. This is impressive. This is, gosh, 5,000 square foot of land. And just give us an overview of what you've done so far, what you plan on doing, and what you see this place being in the future.
Right, Daya, thank you for your interest in our project. This is a site that we want to be for a very long time, like you said. This project is sitting on the 5,000 square meter piece of land, and the built-up area itself is about 1,000 square meters on each floor. So we're intending to have 5 floors, that is 1 ground floor and 4 suspended floors, making up about 5,000 square meters of built-up area as well. So the rest of the space is supposed to be used for access, for cars to park and all that. We're hoping that this will have a helipad on top of it. So the structure you're looking at is so built to be able to take a helipad at the very top of one of the wings. We are looking at this becoming a major trauma center in Abuja, not only for Abuja, for people coming from all over the country. Like you know, where we are at present, we do get patients from all over the country. We've had to pick patients up from the airport sometimes, and some of these patients have had to be airlifted by helicopters to Abuja. So we started thinking about this project, and we thought, why don't you have somewhere that helicopters can drop instead of having to go first to the airport?
Right.
So that's why we had the idea of putting up a helipad here. Major things here, we hope to have the full range of diagnostic facilities: CT, MRI, ultrasound, X-rays, and so forth. We also hope to have a good complement of intensive care beds, of emergency services, and we hope to have like 100 beds in this place as well.
100 beds?
Yes.
Wow.
We're building a twin modular theater on the 2nd floor right up there on the theater wing. And we're also looking at 2 other theaters, a minor theater somewhere else, still on the 2nd floor, and a trauma theater in the A&E wing right at the back, at the base of the Y. Because if you notice, this is a Y-shaped building.
Right.
So that's essentially what we hope to do. We hope to be able to, on the upper floors, have things like presidential wards, and if you like those wards, some of these wards may actually have bulletproofs on their walls. You know, so we hope to be able to reach the whole range of the society. So we have general wards that will be a lot more affordable, where most of the folks can come and get their surgeries done and go back home. And then we also will have the high-end wards, the private suites, the private wings, and then the presidential wings. So this is our dream. This is what we're hoping to make work, and we're hoping that in the next year or 2 maximum, we should be able to start using this facility.
Fantastic. And you mentioned something about also making this a training facility for doctors.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, we've just been accredited for training by the West African College of Surgeons. So we are now going to be the only private institution in West Africa that has been so accredited to train orthopedic surgeons for the region. Once we get started here, we also want to get accreditation to train housemanship. And who knows, want to get accredited to train house officers. Who knows, we should be able to also get other specialists involved and get them to train other areas or specialties of medicine as well. So this is with training in mind, with research in mind, with developing medicine in mind, with showing people that we on this part of Africa can also make efforts and do things for ourselves.
Fantastic, and thank you for being such a shining light in the middle of all, with the kind of environment that you have to work with. It's impressive that a private doctor can come up with all this. So a lot of kudos to you. Thank you so much again.
Thank you very much.